All right, guys, today we're doing a steak tip marinade clone recipe of the Newbridge Cafe, Chelsea, Massachusetts. Famous steak tips they have there. So very, very simple, easy marinade. We're gonna do equal parts of Italian dressing, ketchup, and Coke. Okay, about a half a cup, 3/4 of a cup of each. We'll get it mixed up in the bowl. Let's get that done. We have top quality meat here from McKinnon's Market, sirloin steak tips. Other parts of the country, this would be known as whole beef loin. Okay, this is the beef loin, the whole beef loin. Okay, so let's get this mixed up. Get it in the bowl. Half a cup of each. Ketchup, Italian dressing, Coke. Okay, so that's about half a cup of Italian dressing. Do half a cup of, ketchup. And we'll do a little mini Coke here. Okay, I'm gonna do about 3/4 of that. Okay, we'll get that mixed up really well. And we're gonna let this sit for a minimum 2 hours. It's gonna sit overnight and we'll get these on the grill. We'll show you what they look like. Guys, make sure your hands are clean. We get them chunked out like so. We'll get those in the marinade and mix them around good. Okay, so that's all mixed up well, and now we're gonna cover this with saran wrap in the refrigerator until we leave, and then tomorrow we're gonna be cooking these up and we'll show you how they come out, guys. Fantastic recipe, very simple. Look it up, Newbridge Cafe, Chelsea, Massachusetts. Clone recipe, guys. Very important, folks, get them on the gas grill. That's how they're cooking them, on a gas grill, high heat. We'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, this is what your high heat gas steak tips are gonna look like. They cook very quickly, so they should still be like a medium rare on the inside. Okay, let's get them off and let's get these plated up with some rice and caprese salad. Let's get inside and checking them out. Rock and roll, baby. Okay? Don't forget, you want all your fresh ingredients for your caprese salad and so forth. Okay? You could add a little oregano on top of those. But we're sticking to the script here, okay? This is a copycat recipe. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna plate up. We have the gorgeous looking steak tips here. We got some rice pilaf, air fryer broccoli. We made a beautiful caprese salad. And let's get them plated up and test them out. Newbridge Cafe, Chelsea, Mass. Try them out, guys. Try the recipe. You're gonna love them. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a try here. And try this little guy here. So tender. Really good recipe, guys. Give it a shot. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next vid.
That shower just feel cute. Oh, look over here. Come here.
Oh. Don't bite my hand off. You're a doll. You're a doll. I know, Belle. That was good. I know. You want more. Let's show them how good that was. Belle, I'm sorry. There's no more. All gone. All gone. Doll, you know. It's all gone. Good girl.